COHN stock, COHN and Co. Incorporated, is currently up 19.16% in this session of the 16th of August 2021. There isn't really any news on this concerning the stock. The last piece of news, if that is much of a news as such, was on the 12th of August, which was a Thursday. That was the last dividend day. That was the cutoff date for the dividends. And before that time, the stock has been running up extensions. Before that time, it was extending from the 4th of August. Yes, and as such, the stock has remained bullish since that time and up to today. You can see the extension is about 19.84. At some point it was up to 23%. So on stock tweets, people are quite excited about this extension. It's running up. Price rose through the 200-day moving average today on above average volume. Yes, you can see. We have the figure of its shares outstanding. It's 1.624 million shares, 1.62 million shares, and so far we have had 1.5 million shares that have crossed the tape so far. So this is definitely a highly volatile stock, highly volatile, very small float, and it might actually be a case of short squeeze, because sometimes of late, if you don't have any news behind any extension, there's a good chance it's a case of a short squeeze. So it appears to be in a strong bullish trend. Its 200-day moving average is upward sloping, and the MACD histogram is above zero and rising. It's easily outperforming the S&P 500. Momentum for COHN stock is strongly bullish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is above 80, the level which many analysts call overbought. This means that investors have been actively purchasing shares and driving the price higher. Yes. And today's volume is on track to be heavier than usual, with 1.524 million shares having traded so far. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. Volatility for the last 10 days is about 157.77%. So just be careful, know what you're doing with the stock. It has a history of sideways movement, and even though I think overall for this year so far, I think the trend is pretty much a bullish one. It ran up extensions up till for more than 4 months, but since the 6th of May has been retracing. It retraced all the way till the 22nd of June, and since that time it's been moving sideways. Sometimes it does spike, so just know this is a highly volatile stock. I think for now the overall trend is a bullish one, but just be very careful. Small float, highly volatile. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.